How to get rich with cryptocurrency. In a world pulsating with innovation and rapid technological advancement, one domain has captured the collective imagination like no other: the realm of cryptocurrency. Picture this: a digital frontier where fortunes are forged from lines of code. Daring individuals surpass conventional financial norms to craft the blueprints of their own prosperity. Welcome to the exhilarating journey into the heart of the cryptocurrency gold rush, a thrilling pursuit of riches that has the world on the edge of its seat. A new digital dawn. Gone are the days when wealth was synonymous with suits and ties, office cubicles, and the traditional stock market. Cryptocurrency, the avant-garde offspring of technology and finance, has shattered those age-old conventions, offering an unprecedented avenue for enterprising souls to strike it rich. Imagine watching your initial investment bloom into a small fortune from the comfort of your living room, as you engage in a decentralized dance of supply, demand, and innovation. Cracking the code of success. So, you're ready to dive headfirst into the world of cryptocurrencies and steer your financial destiny in an exhilarating new direction? Buckle up, because this digital roller coaster is as wild as it gets. Your passport to the cryptocurrency riches begins with a thirst for knowledge. Immerse yourself in the mechanics of blockchain, the technology that underpins cryptocurrencies, and familiarize yourself with the diverse array of digital coins, each with its unique traits and value propositions. Timing, the Midas touch. In the realm of cryptocurrency, timing is your ultimate secret weapon. Picture this: investing in Bitcoin when it was a mere curiosity, or acquiring Ethereum during its humble beginnings. These are the tales of those who understood the art of timing. Just as a skilled surfer rides the crest of a wave, you too can ride the swells and troughs of the crypto market to potentially reap substantial rewards. The X factor: research and analysis. Getting rich with cryptocurrency requires more than a sprinkle of luck. It demands shrewd analysis and meticulous research. Keep your finger on the pulse of global events, technological breakthroughs, and regulatory changes that could sway the tides of the cryptocurrency landscape. Be the detective who unravels the threads of market trends, separating the fads from the future unicorns. Risk, reward, and resilience. Let's be honest, the road to riches, whether in the physical world or the digital one, is paved with challenges. Cryptocurrency markets are notorious for their volatility, where fortunes can be made or lost in the blink of an eye. But remember, every grand adventure requires a degree of risk. Balancing calculated risks with informed decisions and a healthy dose of resilience could be the key to ultimately achieving your financial aspirations. Innovation never sleeps. The cryptocurrency realm is a living, breathing testament to the relentless spirit of human innovation. Just as the blockchain revolution disrupted conventional finance, new technologies and trends will continue to shape the landscape. Keep your eyes peeled for opportunities that emerge from the interplay of cryptocurrency, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance, DeFi, and other cutting-edge domains. Navigating the cryptocurrency maze. As you venture deeper into the labyrinthine world of cryptocurrency, it's essential to become proficient in the art of trading. This isn't about throwing darts at a board, it's about mastering the tools of technical and fundamental analysis. Dive into candlestick charts, moving averages, and other indicators that can offer insights into market sentiment. Understand the forces that influence price movements, from macroeconomic trends to technological breakthroughs. Your goal is to be not just a passenger on this wild ride, but the captain of your financial destiny. The diversification dance. While the allure of riding a single coin to stratospheric heights is tantalizing, remember that diversification is a cornerstone of successful investing. Just as you wouldn't bet your entire fortune on a single roll of the dice, avoid putting all your digital eggs in one cryptocurrency basket. Diversifying your portfolio across different coins can help spread risk and increase the potential for consistent gains. Unraveling the eco enigma. Initial coin offerings, ECOs, are the cryptocurrency world's equivalent of an IPO, initial public offering, in traditional finance. ECOs provide a unique opportunity to invest in promising projects in their early stages. Research meticulously, as some ECOs may turn out to be revolutionary while others are nothing more than smoke and mirrors. By identifying projects with strong teams, groundbreaking ideas, and transparent roadmaps, you could tap into the next big thing before it becomes mainstream. HODL or trade? The conundrum. The age-old debate in the cryptocurrency world revolves around whether to hold, a playful misspelling of hold, your coins for the long term or actively trade them for short-term gains. Each approach has its merits and risks. HODLing requires unwavering conviction in the potential of a coin to appreciate over time, while trading necessitates a nimble mindset to capitalize on market fluctuations. The choice is yours, and a mix of both strategies might be your ultimate ticket to wealth. The rise of decentralized finance. DeFi. Imagine a financial ecosystem where traditional intermediaries like banks are bypassed, and financial services are conducted peer-to-peer through blockchain technology. Welcome to the realm of DeFi, where lending, borrowing, trading, and yield farming happen without the need for centralized authorities. Participating in DeFi protocols can yield substantial returns, but it's crucial to tread cautiously, as the space is relatively nascent and subject to risks. Staying secure in the digital Wild West. As you navigate the exciting waters of cryptocurrency, never underestimate the importance of security. The anonymity and decentralized nature of crypto can attract both innovators and nefarious actors. Safeguard your investments by employing robust cybersecurity measures. Utilize hardware wallets, two-factor authentication, and stay updated on the latest phishing and hacking techniques. A future beyond currency. Cryptocurrency's potential extends far beyond its role as a mere digital currency. The technology is poised to reshape industries ranging from supply chain management to healthcare, and even the way we vote. As you journey towards wealth through cryptocurrency, keep an eye on the transformative applications that could revolutionize not only finance but society as a whole. Embracing the adventure. The cryptocurrency gold rush is a journey laden with excitement, risk, and unlimited potential. It's an adventure where each click of the mouse could lead to life-changing outcomes. But like any great adventure, it requires preparation, adaptability, and a hunger for knowledge. So, whether you're a tech enthusiast, a financial maverick, or simply a dreamer yearning for financial independence, remember that the digital El Dorado beckons with its untold treasures. In the heart of the cryptocurrency realm, where innovation converges with finance, you have the chance to craft your destiny. As you explore this thrilling landscape, armed with insights, strategies, and the thrill of the unknown, remember that getting rich with cryptocurrency isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey itself, where risks and rewards dance in a symphony of opportunity, and the next click could be the one that turns your digital dreams into tangible reality. In conclusion, the digital El Dorado beckons. The allure of getting rich through cryptocurrency is not just a mirage, it's a tangible reality for those who dare to embark on this thrilling journey. With an appetite for knowledge, an instinct for timing, a commitment to research, and a willingness to weather the storms, you could be the next success story in this digital age gold rush. As the cryptocurrency frontier continues to expand, don your digital gear, arm yourself with information, and set forth into this brave new world where opportunities for wealth creation know no bounds. The treasure troves of the digital El Dorado await. Will you seize the moment and claim your fortune? Are you willing to take a chance and learn how to get rich with cryptocurrency? Leave your comments and suggestions below. For more information on Bitcoin and all things cryptocurrency, please click the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing! Thanks for watching.